All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Look at this fella right over here. I've got a vector from Bradley Marais. Marais. I really hope I'm not butchering the name, but still, I'm here with this pretty cool knife. Indeed, nice Damasteel blade, thumb stud, firing out like crazy. I'm just gonna go ahead and try to clean it up. Looks pretty good to me, nothing wrong with it, just to show you guys this experience of taking care of something like this. Nice. And as usual, you can like, you can subscribe, and you can also leave me a comment. What you can also do is check out fablades.com and see what is going on there. Maybe there is something nice that you would like to check out. So here, as you can see, we have a spinning pivot which requires two 15 T15 Torx bits right there. So, not a biggie. I'm just gonna tackle this guy on this side, this guy on this side, just hold it like so, and very gently, like this, unscrewing the pivot. So, just hold it with one hand firmly, and just take your time, just really easy, and boom, this guy will pop off like that. So, just very easy. Take it easy. Never force anything, right? So here we are going to do, you know what? These are, I think they're not T8. Was wrong. So I think these are like T6. Huh. Definitely T6. Interesting. So unscrewing the body screw right over here. That is one. Just put it there. And the second one, just keeping it pinched so nothing just flies around. And this guy, boom, is out. So just holding it pinched down. And just a gentle wiggle, gentle wiggle should bring everything out. All right, so let's check the internal side. We've got internal cut for the lock bar, numbering 125, no internal skeletonization. We've got these Zirka standoffs where the screws are screwing in. You get a stop pin, and you got some Teflon washers. There you have it. And some holes to reduce the weight. Of course, you got a Damasteel blade, one-sided thumb stud, which I believe is zirconium as well. Now, we're gonna go ahead, grab some rubbing alcohol, like this guy right over here. A little bit of a microfiber cloth, which I should probably clean, but it's fine. It's still good to go. And just cleaning all the tang, all the blade right there. Next, we gotta clean those Teflon washers right, and like so. So pushing out the pivot and the washer as well. So we got a bigger one, interesting, which goes on the show side, and a smaller one that goes on the lock side. I'm just saying this out loud so I don't forget, right? Here we go. That's it, guys. What else? Let me clean these two screws as well. There you go. So we can go ahead and reassemble the thing. We're gonna get the little washer right there. Of course, you have this lock bar that will go in the way. And I just wanted to show you like the detent right there. You see, you get a ceramic detent ball, but then look at the tang of the blade. That is a pretty cool thing to see. Now we're gonna do a lighter weight nano oil because I have the 5. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead with this fella right over here and do like 3-4 drops. These are very tiny drops. One little here for the detent, of course. Grab the blade, it just goes in. I'm just gonna do something there. I'm just gonna do the washer right, oops, like so. Here you go. Detent has it, the other side has it. We can just stash away that lube, and then you see I'm just gonna reduce the tension of the lock bar right there. So break the detent. Then I'm gonna line up the pivot and just insert the screw just a little bit, just like that, so it just doesn't move anything. So, and then this fella right here just goes here. So grab the first one, which goes inside that standoff, just a little bit, not all the way down, because I like to do it in a separate moment. So just a little bit, the screws in. All right, so check that everything is lined up, everything is in place. I didn't do the pivot, the pocket clip, because, yeah, maybe I'm lazy, but there was no need. So now I'm just gonna start tightening like so, the handle. There you go. Never over tighten because there's no need. And you have a T6, so it's kind of sketchy, you know. And tighten the pivot. So now, this thing now is Sebenza-like, all right? Super solid, no blade play, but it's a little bit too tight. So, no blade play. Still no blade play. Blade is kind of favoring a little bit the show side. And that's why we're gonna just do this. It now looks centered. Of course, there's not gonna be any drop shot situation going on over here because we got Teflon washers, guys. But I'm telling you, this probably is like, I don't know. It's insane. It's really, really good. I love the feel of these Teflon washers, which is, I mean, I like the bearings, but the smoothness of this fella, wow, wow, wow. Gorgeous. Really, really loving this fella. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.